Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Dual-axis trackers print uplift in the model and eat budgets in the field, unless you're measuring the net effect properly. The theoretical gain is easy. The realized gain after downtime, misalignment, and maintenance is what hits cash flow. ClearSpot's tracker agents exist for that delta. On paper, you get a nice percentage bump. In reality, mistracking, stuck rows, and frequent stow events can erase it. The tracker agent correlates row-level production, availability, and alignment data. It flags rows that routinely fail to follow the sun or go into fault, then quantifies the energy and value not captured. Engineers stop digging through event logs. They open one view that already ranks tracker problems by impact. The agent has done the monitoring and math in the background. We walk through climates and site types, where dual-axis works, where it backfires, and how to use agent outputs to tighten maintenance around high-fault components. The Tracker ROI assessment sheet and a sample dual-axis performance review are at the top of this video's resources. Get them via the ClearSpot demo page by requesting the Tracker resource pack for this episode. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.